Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show how to create blog on blogger.com. Visit web browser, type www.blogger.com, enter, click on sign in, choose your Google account, enter your password, verify your password once. If you want, you can click on show password so it will be visible to you. Click next. See, this is your blogger dashboard. Now we need to choose our blog name. I'll give blog name as Travel Daily. You can give your blog name as per your content. Click next. Now you need to give blog address. Give your address related to your blog name. I'll give it Travel Daily. Check your address availability. If not, change it. Yeah, the address is available. Click next. Travel Daily 11.blogspot.com. Click next. Now give a name that will display on your blog. I'll give travel lover because I love traveling. Click finish. Yeah, this is your blogger page where we can post our new blog. From the left hand side, select theme. Select your theme. How your blog will display. Okay, I'll go with blue color. Once you select, click on apply. It will apply to your blog. Now we will start writing our post. Click on create new post. I'll write new post here. I'll write best places to visit in Bangalore. Okay, after writing content here, after finishing all writing, you can select it. You can change your heading type. You can change font size, font type. You can select video from your computer or you can upload it. Yeah, you can select photos from your blogger.com or from your device. After completing with all the editing, let's preview the blog. So in this way, our blog will be displayed to others. You can select tab, mobile or laptop, desktop size to preview it. See, once it is done, let's publish our blog. Click on publish. This will publish this blog to your blog. Click on publish. See, our blog is published. Finally, we published a blog. After publishing the blog, I'll show you how to see your blog. Visit web browser. Type your own address. The address which we created at the time of creating our blog. Enter. See, this is the blog which we have published now. Travel Daily, our name, your profile. When we published it, see, you can show all your blogs there. Read more, you can read your blog. Even others can comment on your blog. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was useful for you. If you found useful, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.